What's up, guys? We've been waiting for this announcement for a while. The 2022 GasGas MC450F Race Team Edition, TLD Edition, whatever they're calling it. We knew it was coming out, but I'm a little shocked. I had heard that this bike was going to be graphics only, and that appears to not be the case. It's got a bunch of cool goodies on it. It's pretty much like a factory edition KTM from last year, but in a GasGas version. So bear with my voice a little bit. I'm still at home getting over COVID, but let's hop on the PC here and I'm going to show you this thing. Alright guys, here it is. This came up in my Facebook feed from Verb Moto, and I had to come to their site. They're the first ones I saw that dropped it, and this thing just looks sweet, man. This is exactly what we wanted, but I did not expect from a GasGas Special Edition this year. I'd heard from multiple people it was going to be graphics only, and that didn't really surprise me with everything that was happening this year. But this thing looks absolutely sick. It looks really close to the one that we built at AOMC a couple years ago. You know, we had to use an FMF pipe because the Akrapovic was on back order. But this is, from what I can tell, it's really got everything the KTM Factory Edition did last year, which is pretty cool. You can see right off the bat, you get the Red Bull graphics, you get the Akrapovic slip-on, the red anodized triple clamps. When we built our version of this, we had to use Husky blue ones, and we sent them down to Tennessee, got them stripped, and then done in red because the red ones weren't available yet. But these things look sharp. This bike just looks amazing. The Henson cover sets it off. For all you guys that got to have the black wheels, well, there you go. Definitely looks pretty good on this machine. I'm still a silver wheel guy, though. So let's go down here. I'm trying to see exactly what they're calling it. Right here it's called the GasGas Race Team Edition bike. If you go down here, though, it says MC450F TLD designs available in dealerships worldwide. So I don't know if they're calling it a TLD edition or a Race Team Edition or a GasGas Factory or what, but it doesn't really matter. Looks pretty sick. Most exciting part about it is, though, guys, that we know this platform is good. It's tried and true. It's been around since 19, and I'm on a 19 KTM 450 now, so it's more or less the bike I'm riding, and it is an amazing machine. So let's go in right here. Obviously, graphics. You get the number 51 Bam Bam decals. You get the seat, the softer ODI lock-on grips, the factory racing triple clamps, the factory wheels, Dunlop tires, black rear sprocket, gold chain, factory hole shot device, semi-floating front disc, front brake disc guard, composite skid plate, red frame guards, hour meter, map switch, Akrapovic slip-on line exhaust system. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with slip-on line exhaust system, means this will slip on to the stock exhaust, but you cannot add an Akrapovic header to make it work with this, which is a bummer to me because the Akrapovic header this year, if you haven't seen it, looks amazing. It is the sharpest looking head pipe I've ever seen, but no, it will not work on this. You'll have to buy an entire Akrapovic system if you would want to run that header, which is kind of a bummer, but it's better than nothing. Henson outer cover, which I was really bummed we didn't get on the KTM this year, but I bet we will next year. The black neck and fat bar with GasGas bar pad, and the firmer suspension settings. Pretty cool. I wonder how much firmer, but cool nonetheless. So they say they have unlocked a little more power by adding the slip-on. They say the handling's a little better from the clamps and the updated suspension settings. Geomax MX33s. Very cool, guys. Yeah, this was exactly what everybody was wanting from GasGas, which is pretty sick. If you go back and look at the video of the build that I did. I'll link it down below. We even had the same front fender decal from the team, but we just didn't get the Red Bull logo on our graphics of our bike, obviously, because that would be breaking the rules just a little too far. So we had the same logos, the same kit and everything, so it looks really cool. This will, man, this thing just looks so good. I love it, guys. But I tell you what, I don't love it quite as much as that new KTM that Plessinger and them have been riding. So hopefully my next news drop for you guys will be when we're unboxing my new KTM Factory Edition when it comes in. So yeah, just wanted to get you guys this news as early as I can, and smash that like button. And if you appreciate me getting these videos out as soon as possible, keeping you guys up to date, answering questions, just hit that blue join button and join my race team, man. Come on aboard. We need you. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video.